Open your project and make sure you have 5 beats in total. Beat 1, Beat 2, Beat 3, Beat 4, Beat 5. Make sure you have 2 pictures of the person you're editing, and then a background. This is provided in the description below. Click on the picture on the top and go to Move and Transform and add position keys at the start and beat 3. Go back to the start and move your layer to the right side out of frame. In between, go to the curve editor and add this graph. Click on the 3 dots and copy the curve. Go to the picture on the bottom. Click Move and Transform and add position keys in the same places. This time, on your second keyframe, move your layer to the left out of frame. And then paste the graph in between. Click on the plus icon and add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots and click Fill Composition Area. Make sure that the duration matches the other clips if you have them different. Select the 3 and click on the middle grouping option. And add a rounded rectangle. Click on the 3 dots and click Fill Composition Area. Make sure the duration is the same. Then select the 3 layers and click on the middle grouping option at the top. Zoom this out so that it fits the frame at the top left. Add a rounded rectangle again, and zoom it out until it fits the second profile picture of the person. Then go to Color and Fill and click on this star button. Click Select Media and add the picture of the person you're editing. Make sure Fill is selected. Click on the plus icon and add a text and type in your custom message. Zoom this text out and make the font Arial. Adjust the color to black. And then add a stroke. Click on the middle 2 options and put the stroke down to 1. Copy this text. Click Edit Text. Click on the left top corner until it's on the right side and move the text down. Now type in your text. Now you can remove the stroke and zoom in the text a little. Go to the first text and add text progress. Click on End and add keyframes on beat 2 and 3. On keyframe 1, make the end 0. Go to text 2 and add text progress here as well. Add end keyframes on beat 2 and 4. On the first keyframe, make the end 0. Add this graph in between. Or you can leave it without the graph to make it look more natural. Now add a rounded rectangle and put it on the emoji that you want. Adjust the duration of the rounded rectangle. Then duplicate this background layer and group it with the rounded rectangle using the middle option. Add scale keyframes on beat 3 and on the end. And at the end, zoom in the emoji. Paste the graph that we copied before. Now on the same group, add exposure and gamma. Add keyframes in the same places. And on your second key, increase the exposure. Paste a curve in between. Now go to border and shadow and add a shadow. Add alpha keyframes in the same places. At the start, just make it 0. And then paste the graph in between. Now, at the start of the project, add a null and connect all the layers to it. Go to the Z property and zoom in your layer until you see this group. You can adjust its position and size here. Zoom it in until it fully covers the picture. And now add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. On your second keyframe, zoom out your project and move it a little to the right so that you see the message a little. Paste the graph in between. Now add rotation keys in the same places. Paste the graph in between. Add another null on beat 2. Connect null 1 to null 2. And now add rotation and position keys at the start and beat 4. On the second keyframe, adjust the position and rotation of your null. And paste the curve in both properties. You can delete the text progress here if it seems like too much. And a few frames after beat 3, add opacity keys there and on beat 4. And at the start, just make it 0. Then add this ease out graph. Add your last null on beat 3. Connect null 2 to null 3. Adjust the duration of all of your layers. And on null 3, add position and rotation keys at the start and end. At the end, move your layer down and zoom it in on the second key, and also rotate it. Paste the curve in both properties. Now add a rectangle and fill composition area. Then select all of your layers and group them using the second option. And you can add your effects.